What's up, guys? Are we ready? Okay. Are we ready to do this? I see that I really didn't miss much. Yeah, I really did not miss much. So that's cool, that's cool. Apart from the fact that it would have been rude and taken me out before going down for TP. Rude. Anyways. Yeah, I guess just anyways. Let's see what we get. Sorry, I'm having a good giggle at Bob. Hey, Ethan. Hey, Ethan, long time no see. And Jacob. What is up, guys? So we have so much, well, you would expect to see it come and take out these imbalances. Expect being the key word here. Is it gonna? Let's see, are we gonna have a good New York session? To be determined. But I'm hopeful for it. I probably won't be here for the full 2 hours today, guys. I'm gonna be here for the first hour, and then unfortunately I do have to get some things done. But you know, you never realize how busy your life can get. Oh, trust Ethan. I do. So yes, I'm gonna do what I can. Hopefully we get a trade in during that first hour, and then I'ma hop off. Not really the worst thing, you know, maybe. Oh, there we go. I moved the midnight. I moved the midnight. Yeah. We did not move during London today, so let's see what we get later. Let's see what we get later. That's basically just where we're at right now. And then to drink water? What do you mean drink water? I shouldn't stay too long afterwards. It's 1 AM. That's valid. Hey George, what's up? Atlanta, are you good? Actually, you have a point. I should maybe go and grab some water. Atlanta, did you get any trades in earlier or not really? For anyone that has just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How goes it, everybody? We have, oh, okay. We still have 12 minutes to go until New York Open. Do we think it's gonna be a retracement, or is this thing just gonna keep spiking up? If it keeps spiking up, that's gonna be wild. No trades, I've been making it a habit to wait until market. Hey, nice Atlanta, well done. Alan, what's up? How you doing? Six months before I saw you? Okay. 6 months before you saw me? Yep, I'm all ears. What about it? I'm waiting to see where this goes. $9.19. You're from California? That's really, really cool. How is California today? South Africa is... it's okay. South Africa's okay today. Let's just go with it's okay. Ready, steady. Okay. 10 minutes to go. A little warm. I mean, a little warm's not bad. Especially if you've been dealing with cold. I've been dealing with too much heat, so I'm excited for some cold. Trust. Trust, guys. I don't cope with the cold. Don't get me wrong, that person that when it's mildly chilly will have like 3 layers on. So yeah, it's gonna be a very interesting winter. Always wonder what schedule California traders work on. What time is it in California right now? I don't know why I said it like that, California. I don't really think she is knowing something about... What? Gold sell $300? Hey, Santosh, so you got it? Did you get the trade? Is that what you're saying? $0.620, I think. 620. Hey! Damn, Atlanta, look at you go. Called that beautifully. It is indeed 6:20 a.m. and for me it's... I nearly said 9:20. It's not 9:20. For me it's 3:21 p.m. here in South Africa, which is wild. Well, I say wild. I don't know why I'm saying it's wild. But we've got this. Like I said, guys, I'll probably only be on for an hour today, which I know is a little bit short. We're just gonna have to make it oh so much fun for that hour. Santosh, big red candle. So do we agree that this is retesting today? What do you guys think? Let's see. So I'm gonna spam the like button because them rules. Oh, people are saying no. That's interesting. Do you think this is gonna keep going up? Need to get a drink to cool off. How old do I look, Alan? 25400 is point of interest. Only be an hour, and that's what she. Nice. Oh gosh. I got you.
That's what she said.
Ronan says that I look 33 years old. Rude. I'm 27, so I guess I'm getting closer and closer to it. That's terrifying. I'm turning 28 end of this year. Do I have a family? I have a cutest little dog. You look 40. Oh, you be quiet, JP. Well, 40, okay, guys, it's so early in this market.
Emotional damage.
And this is what you're doing to me. Emotional damage so early. Do I smoke? No. Why? Is it because I look that old that I must be a smoker? Mean? Y'all are bullies. Oh my goodness. Market hasn't even opened yet and y'all are bullies. Wow. Let's see. 6 minutes to go. It's the tattoos. It's the tattoos. What? Tattoos make you look what? What did you expect? You're right. That's on me. That's my bad. That's my bad for thinking you guys would be nice to me. Okay, I'm quickly gonna grab some water, guys. I'll be right back. Oh no, oh no. I didn't find it. I didn't find that video, which makes me kind of sad. I'm gonna leave this on. You're gonna just hear me talking to myself. If I fall down the stairs, that would probably be quite funny for you guys. Let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. Ooh. Sorry. Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Sorry, Perry was panicking. What is life, bro? What? My morning comedy section has been fulfilled. I got you. Unite my trading. I wasn't trying to be mean. Ah, wow. Hey kids, how you doing? How many tattoos do I have? Oh, a lot. I have a lot of tattoos. Yeah, you just can't obviously see all of them. Hey, Sight, what's up? How we doing? Atlanta? Morning comedy. Oh, session has been fulfilled. I mean, yeah, guys. We have fun here. So the whole reason I'm only gonna do an hour is because I am absolutely exhausted. And obviously you don't want to trade when you're like this, but I know for a fact that open will wake me up and I'll probably be able to keep my focus and keep myself under control for an hour, and after that I might be pushing it, but I am excited for the hour. Could get choppy. I know, Bob, I know. I mean, it's been choppy. If you kind of look at London, it didn't move that far. It was okay. I wouldn't call it. Did I trade EU? Do I trade EU? No, I do not, sorry. Bad idea. Don't trade this if you're tired. Hi, I'm from South Africa. Hey, Johannes, what's up? How you doing? Welcome. I'm also from South Africa. I'm also South African, proud of it. I know there's not a lot of us. Well, I say that. There's actually quite a few South African traders I have come to realize. We're just all really quiet about it. Wait, Ronan, are you also South African? What? Oh, okay, Kez is asking how old I am again. Well, according to chat, I am between 33 and 40 years old. I go along, let's see. Yeah, according to chat, I'm between 33 and 40 years old. In reality, I'm actually 27. I'm just tired, so I look like a raccoon right now. It's my Gucci's. My Gucci's. That's cool. How can I learn how to trade? So you want to know how to trade? Should ignore me. You were Shan, did I? I'm so sorry. I didn't see it. She's 60 years old? Wait, that was amazing. Wait.
Nice.
My glasses are here. Sorry, I may or may not have a headache. So don't make my headache worse. So there we go. Sorry, here's my glasses. I don't know if these make me look older or younger. Oh, she's 17. I don't understand what nobody understands this. Wow. I'm 17, then I've really aged badly. Hey yo, Louis, what's up? Ntunzi, sorry. How you doing? We have, oh, here we go. Damn.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So, yeah. Good clean open. I do, Johannes, I do trade on the live. Not always, you know, if market says, heck yeah, let's do this. Otherwise, yeah. I had a really nice win yesterday. Don't bully her without me. Okay, solid spike up. It's going back down to bob level. Spike in and go. Okay, here's our 9:30 candle. Oops. Oh my goodness, I drew that like an idiot. Let's try that again. There we go. Here we go. $9.30. I mean, that was a solid bob to bob if anyone was brave enough to do that. Is there news today? I don't think so. Guys, is there news today? Oh. Yeah? There might be. No, later. That's only much later. Down to midnight. Okay. Holy guacamole. See if we get something good. Do I trade CFDs? No, sorry. Just the futures. Cleaning stop loss and then go up. I haven't traded for 2 weeks. Why? What's been happening, Roshan? Why have you not been trading for 2 weeks? Is this our first presented already? Let's see, let me not like jump the gun, but this could potentially be our first presented fair value gap already. There's news every day. We're kind of... Okay, Atlanta, news that's going to affect the markets currently. I'm gonna wait for a break and retest short here. You don't think it's gonna wanna... Ooh, actually down to VWAP could be quite nice. Here's first presented. Sure. Struggling to break below, hey? Okay, what's the indicator for, Shan? B3. Well, then there's that kind of news as well. Okay, I guess that's valid. Okay, let's see if this is the 5-minute candle here. Hey Benedict, what chart am I on? I'm on the Nasdaq futures, micros to be specific. Solidly watching to see what we get. We get something good. Keeps retesting its first presented. Oh, please don't be choppy. Please don't just be Chop City. Isn't trading just gambling? No, definitely not, Kevin. The Samurai. Mainly gold, but it works on others as well. Me and my friend are working on it for 3 months now. But it's not done yet. Good grief. 3 months, that's insane. We have to close above the body of the first candle. Benedict Long, to be determined. Sorry, I'm not one of those that jump in. You know, patience pays. You have to wait for your setup. See, but this is the 5-minute candle. See if we can break out of it. That's the 5-minute candle right there. Entered sells at 174. Good grief. Well, I mean, you have bucks to get rid of, I guess, right? Forever Gaming Hub, what's up? As it trades on 1-to-1 and it gives good trading commission on it. Sometimes you give 3 for trading. Oh damn, that's not bad at all. Hey Abdul, how you doing? The only problem is I don't believe there's any problem with 1-to-1 R as long as your win rate's high. I think that's it. It just means you obviously have to be very good and very accurate, and your win rate again has to be high. But I don't believe there's anything wrong with 1-to-1 R. To anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Gujan, you think this is going up? Frick, I hope this isn't just going sideways. Yesterday's New York session was so nice. Actually, both yesterday, London and New York was amazing. It felt like we're back to quote-unquote normal. Today, London was just chip-chop city, literally putting me to sleep. And hopefully New York gives us some bangers. That would be amazing. It was kind of risky for the lower capital people, and it's basically based on my strategy. I guess. I hear you, Shan. I hear you. I mean, to be fair, when I started trading, I started with 1-to-1 R strategies. I'm up 34%. Nice. Okie build the first presented. Come on, shorts. Solidly struggling to break below here. Hey, Debbie. Mike the Goat. What's up? When will you open your Insta? What do you mean? I literally was on my Instagram this morning. Wait, I wanted to do something for Mike the Goat. Mike the Goat! Hey, Red Spider, what's up? 20 minutes shows when the market's down, turn around option. Continue to stop. Okay. Explore. Nope, not a new funded account. Still the OG hanging in there. Didn't ask me how. In the 5-minute, that was a good break. No. Yeah, sugar honey iced tea. Let's see what we get here. That's the 1 minute. up? TP is midnight. Nice. Nice, Louis. Not the retest I was looking for. I do agree with you on that one. I mean, maybe it goes all the way down, but this could be quite nice. Oh, okay, never mind. It's just running away. My bad. I take it back. It just ran away. See if we get a bounce here at midnight, but 1, 2, 3. Engine zone. Is it Bitcoin? No. This is. I'm also from South Africa. What's that, Red Spider? This is the Nasdaq futures. Okay. No, shoot. This would have actually been a really good one. It just didn't go up high enough. Aw, man. Pity. I think this is just gonna go straight down to VWAP. Okay, it didn't come back up. It's fine. Straight back down to VWAP. How can you hold that account for so long till it's a secret? Oh, no secret, just... whatchamacallit? What's it called? Risk management. Wait for the dip. Buy, it worked well yesterday. I couldn't even see any trades on here. I was actually thinking, but it's also too choppy for me to swing. Interesting. Interesting, Bob. Okay. Problem is, this is getting a little bit... Guess we're still fine. No, I think it's gonna do this thing until it taps into VWAP, and then it might just send it back up to the moon. Let's see. That's promising. Never mind. It was taken. Take it back. Oh, there do be a little fight going on around here. Oh, it's messing around a little bit too much for my liking. What? Louis? Huh? When... Did you Google Translate something? Hey, rang you. What's up? How's it going? I don't have an order. Maybe it was a mistake to not have an order, but it just broke above that level on ES. Maybe it's a weird thing to say. I wasn't feeling it, thank heavens. And apparently that's a good thing. Whoa. Right then. Okay. Okay then. Are you back testing? I don't even know. It was just a bit weird. I don't know how to explain it. 0 is good to try and short. Oh, thanks, Benedict. Tapped into that first presented, respected it. Not a lot though. Sure. Oh, okay. Glad. What the actual heck just happened there? What? What? Bro. Okay. Benedict, yes, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Currently, okay. That's not a nice... That's just not nice. Let's see, maybe it works out, maybe this does just keep going down. In which case it would have been a winner chicken dinner, I just didn't like it. And this huge freaking wick over here is not ideal either. Let's look on the 5 minute. Okie dokie. Is anyone in a trade right now? Okay, this feels like a deciding point now. We tested that first presented a few times. The indicator algo, you have a long bullish bias? Ooh, nice. Okay, that's a solid Bob's Bob, I see. And the other one? Are you waiting for the wick, Bob? Okay. So This actually would have worked out. I would have missed my stop loss by a tick. Literally by a tick. But it would have worked. This closes below 130. I'm gonna sell again. Ah, why tools? Where are you going? Luxem. Well then. Noted. Apparently we are working out today. Ocean Beats, what's up? So just tapped into VWAP now. Which means it could start pushing a bit higher. The only thing that would have saved this trade was literally the first presented pay value gap. Back in cells at 0.94. Damn, I maybe should have taken that trade, but that being said, meh. Okay, 953. Let's see if we get a rejection off of here. Oh, okay, not the best. Not the best. Hey, Undertaking, what the? How you doing? Louis, you still in this thing? It kind of looks a little bit stuck between midnight and VWAP right now. Literally a little bit stuck between midnight and VWAP. Targeting 976. Damn, okay then. Interesting. That's Bob's trade. I'm considering it, but I'm... No, I'm not as happy as with this one. Stop loss at 20 bucks. Nice. Okay, not bad, Louis. Not bad, not bad. This is a risky short. Yep, I agree. This could be where it starts pushing back up. This might be it. So Louis, you were taken out of it. Is anyone else in a trade right now? How's it looking? What's cooking good looking? Undertaking, not in a trade right now, but I caught that short push for one thing. Nice! Okay, anyone that's had green today? Seriously, whoop whoop. Well done. That is amazing. Well deserved. Wow. So either we're gonna break midnight and go bullish, or we're gonna break VWAP and okie dokie. So I see we're stuck below VWAP on ES as well. Sorry, you guys can't see. We're stuck below VWAP on ES and above VWAP on NQ. That's great. That's amazing. Aw, thanks, Socket Mom. You like the calm music. What about the weirdo who doesn't shut up? Me. I am the weirdo. Tiny Powerpuff. No, I wouldn't quite call this a Powerpuff. Not quite. Come on. Okay, broke. Which means we could indeed be going down. Hey Dan, not a pair, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Again, for anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I did not say that, just the weirdo. It's my thing. Oh, okay, but we still did not close below it. Interesting though, if a bob to bob was made. $65. Oh. May have just missed TP. Not bad, not bad. Would have missed by a few ticks. Interesting. How'd I get into day trading? Oh, Michael, well, it depends, right? So did you put in for buys or sells? So you can play the market both ways. Let's say you thought it was going to go down and you put 5 in and it went down. Awesome, but you can set take profits, so you can set where you want it to take you out. No, that sounds weird. And you can set stop loss, so you can have like, maybe you only want to risk a certain amount. So for example, this trade here that I did not take, I'm glad and not glad about it, because obviously it would have been a winner, but look at that. That was so close to where my stop loss would have been. So here I could have sold, but I was looking for a sell. My entry was gonna be here at 0.5. That would have been my stop loss. So you can see it's very close. And take profit below. So here you can sell the market and earn. I hope that kind of makes sense. And there you have a set, like a set TP. So if it goes up and it takes you out there, then yes, you'll lose money. Could fly up from here. I see the rest have a W pattern. This is forming a chicken nugget consolidation. Who thinks oil will shoot up again? Gotta go to Chick-fil-A again. Aw, I've never gone to Chick-fil-A. We don't have Chick-fil-A here in South Africa. Sad. Alrighty then. Please don't say that was the whole move. Benedict says oil won't. Michael, it depends. So if you're trading live, that's your money, you've lost it. So I use a prop firm. So no, you don't lose all of it. So with a prop firm, you have max drawdown limits, so you're allowed to lose a certain amount. But obviously it means you have to make a certain amount before you can start making money. You know, it's a give and take situation. So prop firms just, they give you that cushion, especially while you're new. So I'm still pretty new. So especially while you're new and figuring things out, they give you just that little bit of a cushion. What the heck did I just read? Being opened again. I ran one. Wait, what's happening? Is all of this over now? Is it not over now? Who knows what's going on? Good grief. It really has to decide what it wants to do now. No, Michael, no. Do you have Discord? Michael? I'm calling you Michael, is that right? Is it Michelle? I'm so sorry. I feel like I've completely butchered your name. But if you have Discord, feel free to pop me a message, but no, so you pay for this prop firm account. But yes, you can keep going until you've reached that drawdown limit. Broken traders resistance before I consider another short. That's over temporarily. They say it's over, it's definitely not over. These countries suffering to make the move, otherwise our transportation's finished. This is what hedge funds call price agreement consensus zone. Nice. So the weird markets continue. No, don't be like that. This is just so frustrating. Oh, the headache is back. Sorry guys, like I said, I'm only going to be streaming for an hour today. So I won't be on for as long as usual. Okay, well, while it's making up its mind, do you know what time it is? Just before the hour runs out and I haven't been able to do it. It is butterfly of the day. You best believe it. I know people don't care about it, but I care about butterfly of the day. Let's see. Hopefully it's a goodie. The last two have been me. No, we've done this. Okay, we've done that one. Here we go. It's called a zebra white. How cool. Okay, it's this one. This one is the swallowtail, but this dude, I mean, he looks more yellow to me personally, but whatever. So the zebra white has a wingspan of 40 to 47 millimeters. Okay, so not bad, not bad, not bad. So distribution throughout South Africa. Okay, so it's pretty common. Absent from fynbos and succulent karoo areas and highest mountains. So the habitat is flatlands, hillsides, forest edges, parks, and gardens. So it's majority of South Africa has them. Flight period is year-round in warmer areas, October to April in cooler areas. And depending on rainfall, peak usually late summer. Okay, wait, and its Latin name is Pinacopteryx eurifia. I feel like I butchered that completely, but there's our butterfly of the day. Now let's go back to the charts. Okay, I see we had a little spike down, but that's about it. Fun fact too about zebra, most butterflies live for only a week or two, but because pollen is back protein, zebra longwings can live for up to 6 months. What? That's cool. Oh man, I love it. Here we go. Is this where we go down? Okay, so ES is pushing up and NQ is pushing down. So this is gonna be fun. Here we go? Question mark? Here we go. Damn, looks like you had 2 bob to bobs already. I mean, theoretically, yeah. It was a solid... This was a goodie. I mean, would have been a little bit stressful there, but yeah. Would have been a good bob to bob. Let's see if this continues down now, though. Oh no, hiccups. I'm so sorry. Oh, look at this volume imbalance. If it stays here. Maybe not. I take it back. What in the wiki world is going on here? It is literally taking a nap on VWAP. It parked. It's parking off there. But market's teleported again. Hey Raphael, how you doing? How's Jamaica? How's it treating you? Just scrolling through. Nice. Nap time. Yep, honestly. Honestly, that is literally what the markets are doing. It's like, okay, you know what? We did what we had to do during Asia. We gave you guys something here. You're done. Wow, this really sucks. Business being conducted. It is. It's having a nap on the VWAP. This time frame will remember this price. What do you mean, multi-mirror? What does that mean? Okay, so there was a volume imbalance there. Ooh, this was actually quite nice for a little shorty short. For a quick in and out shorty short. Hey, Bob! That's not bad. Well done. Whoop whoop, you get fireworks. I know it wasn't full TP, right? But still? Or was it full TP? Still get fireworks. Green is green. For anyone in the green, well done. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's coming down to that sell side liquidity. It makes me nervous when we all agree with one another. I'm just saying. Sure. Wonder if it wants to head for Asia low. That, I mean, that's pretty far, but it's possible. Hey, Marvin. Yeah, this is consolidating properly. Like I said, it's literally having a nap right now. Wizard Sun Beach ice cream and butterfly, nice. What in the heck is going on with Nasdaq? All good questions, but I guess we're here for the chaos. Tell that French guy my name is Bob, not Facey. French guy? Who's the French guy? I mean, you just told him yourself. Expect to push down, then push up again to get out the longs. Nasty Naz got stuck in the mud. Yep. Down you go, Nasdaq. I agree. Bro beans. It seems like it's better price action. T-Sav, I agree. Asia is apparently the place to be. Bro, come on. Maybe the close of this candle for a new 15-minute candle. Maybe we'll get something there. Hey, Bridget, how to find an order block? Ooh. Sideways, yes. There's a good bit of liquidity on the books at Asia low. About 70 sitting. About 400 MQ sitting at 25k, so decent torch liquidity down there. Okay, that does make sense. It's just how long is it gonna mess around before it makes that decision? Oh, DJ just they're going for I agree. Okay, 10. No, this was the new 15-minute candle. Still nothing. Okay, well, Brother Bean, you have 15 minutes to sort yourself out. Let's do this. So when am I back testing again? Oh, definitely won't be this weekend. Probably only when I'm back on the 15th. I'll have more time to do shenanigans. Yeah, I'll have actually more time, and then I'll actually be able to do some back testing during the day. That'll be cool. So for those of you that do not know, my horses are moving back up, which is exciting. I won't be here the 13th and 14th of April, so Monday and Tuesday, or I guess Sunday afternoon for some of you, right? Sunday evening, right? Yeah. Hot chocolate time. Oh, Mike. That was mean. That was mean, because now I really want hot chocolate. We go a little bit up and then she'll continue. My momentum indicator is also uncertain. That doesn't help. Victor? Where's Victor? Did I miss something? Oh, I did! Hey Victor, hi, I'm so sorry, I didn't see your little hi there. What's up? Wow. I'm going to like 4 compliments to be like in milk with super low risk. Interesting, like Louis, give us a little teaser here. I'm curious. You've piqued my curiosity. What is it? Where's Miko Wave? Good question. We can see pump and dump. Might re-tap into the midnight. My squirrel brain's going, yeah, do that. And I'm like, no. I mean, maybe it works. It's just a little bit risky with all of this consolidation. If it does pump, it could pump solidly and then continue back down. Oof, Asia low is such a nice draw though. Oh my gosh, guys, what is this? Wave momentum is pointing up now. This P ain't doing nothing until the FOMC news. Nothing. I love the nothing part. That's amazing. Bob quotes. Let's do this. Gotta love the Bob quotes. Bob quotes. Bob quotes. Notepad. Bro, these are. This is actually excruciating. New York best time has been after lunch. I know, not right now. The main thing is building confidence so you never trigger shy. That's true. Wait, something big is happening now? Okay, DJ? Love it. DJ, what are you seeing? Talk us through. Oh, wise one. We have to break 1.1 for more cells. Come on. It's gonna leave me hanging. Oh, never mind. Wow.
Emotional damage.
You got me all excited there. I was like, yes, what are you seeing? That's gonna be good. Nope, apparently not. Apparently, this is it. Nasdaq went, I hope you're ready for nothing. And gave us literally nothing. I'm tired already. I hate Nasdaq. Maybe this will make it work.
Okay, let's go.
No, it did not work. I thought that would do the trick. Apparently not. Dude, I got like 9 minutes left. At least give us something to work with here. Maybe the Maya effect is gonna take place and it's gonna wait for me to leave and then it's gonna start giving you guys some decent moves. It's literally waiting for me. Which is so rude. If I come back and this thing has moved nicely. Nasdaq don't listen to us. Nasdaq too cool. The hardest part of trading is waiting. I know. Pay attention to impulse now. Good grief, guys. This is really bad. Okay. Zebra butterflies, also intelligence. They're considered very intelligent. For insects, they have very low memories and perform a trap lining. They remember exactly where food and sources are. Damn, okay. The boys season finale comes out today. My gosh, what is this? Is anyone trading this, by the way? Genuinely curious. Is anyone actually trading this right now? Is anyone capable of trading this? I know I'm not. Like 120%. I'm definitely not capable of trading this. But can anyone trade this? I'm scalping is using regression trend tool. I don't think anyone is. No, not me. Yeah, nope. Cool, so we are all just, yeah, scalp. No, but like, this is like excessive. Let's move this marker. Go on, Dom. Do it. Okay. I don't think the markets have ever put me to sleep as much as they have today. Seriously. I think this is the worst it's been, but I think it's mostly just because of that push during Asia. I at least expected this to come and retest. Well, I mean, that being said, I guess Asia lowers and below, and then there's more. I lie. There's all this. There is all this that has to happen still. Price is uncertain as I can't think of anything funny. Oil is pumping, really? Then shouldn't NAS be dumping? Instead we're going sideways. Like, solidly, this is barcoding to a next level. And all the groceries off of this. I'm only getting $20 scalps though. Yep, as I said, DJ the foreteller. Not really worth mentioning. Ah, okay. Get it, get it, get it. Oh. Okay, appears a no trade for me today. Maybe I should have taken this one, but I didn't like this push. Just that, I mean, this was a massive push back up. That was huge. Oh well. Barcodes are bread and butter if you know how to use them. See, oh my gosh, I do not know how to use them. Good grief. Money changing hands. Yeah, but it's nothing I can do with it, so that's frustrating. I know the markets don't give a damn about me, but still. Just wait, after this noise will be a commitment. Yeah, but watch the Maya effect take place. The one day I'm like, I'm only here for an hour. This thing is going to go so nicely after I leave. We'll do it a little later. Alligator. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Okay. Okay. No? Yes. Maybe. Next. Headaches. That was. Oh my gosh. That was the most random thing you've said. Seriously, the most random thing. Well, it's not over yet, right? I would love it if it was over. Seriously. Would be amazing if it was over, but yet we are still here. Are we gonna stop moving now? 3, 2, 1. Nope. I nearly got excited. I was like, ooh, maybe I can stick around for a little bit longer, but it just went straight back up. Two for 800 is the target. Good grief. Guess my one could break out of the trend. Okay. I'm supposed to be going now, but okay, if we go back into the range, I'm going. No, yes, maybe? Yep. Ain't you Tory Trade's sister? She always posts about. No, I didn't even know Tory Trade's had a sister. Also, I'm in South Africa, so no. But I will take that as a compliment, though. I freaking told you. If I'd clocked off there and it started moving. Mother fluffer. You look like her. Really? Oh, thank you. I take that as a compliment. This is a crazy market year. Oh, for flying a kite. Okay, no, I'm calling it, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna call it a tiny bit early today. Sorry. Watch, you guys are actually gonna probably thank me. The second I say bye, it's probably gonna start moving really, really well. Nearly knocked my bottle over. Okay, I'm gonna call it early. Sorry, guys. This price action just absolutely sucks. And I got things to do. No, you look better. Oh, thanks, Louie. You're so sweet. Oh, it is. I'm ahead. You guys are awesome. Trade safe in this. I can tell for a fact that I'm probably going to come back tomorrow and be grumpy because it's going to have moved so nicely, but it is what it is. Okay. Trade safe, guys. I love you guys madly. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully I can get everything sorted. So tomorrow will be back to normal. I love you guys. Be good. I feel like be good was the right thing to say there. Okay. Bye, guys.